What's up, guys? We're back here again at Eastgate Lanes in Newton for another summer sweeper. This time we're bowling, I believe, on a Chameleon, which is 38, 39 feet. Probably going to be a urethane fest for most everybody here. But we got 4 games. Each game you can cash individually just for the top 4 spots only. And then there's an overall winner at the end of the tournament. So hopefully we can cash a couple of these games along the way and win at the end of the day. So let's get into bowling.
Now we get hands to cup with the black one. I do feel like it could below 140 on throw 6 pounds. Oh no, I'll just throw 6 pounds. Nice shot. Nice shot. This is why amateurs suck. Period. Do you drink water? You always drink a ton of water. There it is.
I see that a lot of you guys watching the side channel aren't subscribed, obviously. I mean, you can see the stats right here. But a lot of you guys aren't subscribed, so if you could go ahead, click that subscribe button, help us out. We give a ton of stuff away here on the side channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow along to maybe switch these numbers right here around. first 2 games, I ended up with 1 cash, and I'm sitting, I believe, in first or second overall, right next to my buddy Will, who is also in first or second overall. I think I'm up on him by maybe 2 total pins after 2 games. So insane. Anyways, we got 2 more games. 1 and 2 is always a tricky pair because they hook so much more than the rest of the house. So hopefully I can take some of that knowledge, apply it to lanes 1 and 2 before I get there, maybe move ahead of time, and hopefully bowl another solid game on the end pair to stay in first.
Should take my hand out and not hit it like a urethane ball, but
Dang, not my best finish, but I tried to throw the reactive ball just for a little bit of practice there. That last game and decided, got to get used to trying to win these things. So I switched back to the urethane ball after I saw the reactive didn't look so good, and ended up shooting 210 with a split there in the middle of the game and a couple decent shots early with the reactive ball that I got a little lucky on that didn't split. So for me, overall, great performance. First overall, I think I won by 20 or 30 over my buddy Will, who finished second. So great tournament. I'll catch you guys on the next Summer Sweeper or the next thing we got on this side channel. But until then, click that subscribe button. Let's run those numbers up and follow along for more fun videos like this one.